This burning heart right there. The color is so cute. So easy to work. And then I'm gonna move this one. Burning heart, I'm gonna use this ruby. This is so fun to play with. I'm even like using just couple pieces from there. It doesn't make a dent to my mix jars. Can I get that paper?
What paper?
Was it paper? Did you do it all already? Okay. So let's see. We are going to using our crystal clear. This is so easy and simple for a lot of you who doing fusioning, which is marble nails. Hey, thank you so much, Daisy. Hope you're enjoying it, love. So I'm gonna blend it. Match it I can. And keep in mind that every time you're doing with the fusioning, is not like every single nails you want to do the same color fusioning is not going to be identical. It's close enough if you want to getting the looks of the veins, but they're not going to be like identical. It looks exactly the same. This one I don't do any veins at all because I didn't want to make it too busy with the flowers. I want to get like a really cool simple looks. For all of you who have the clients is more conservative, hope everyone have a great Friday. I'm so happy and grateful for every single of you. Hope you all enjoying this. Doesn't matter whatever is one technique, two techniques, whatever technique or even one tip and trick will help you so much at your salon. That will be awesome. So looks I'm gonna do more, and I'm working from the outside toward inside. So I want my vein to be more precise. I'm gonna work on it and just need a little bit of crystal clear. If you get yourself one bottle of fusioning, make sure you pick up the crystal clear for yourself. It saves you so much time. You don't need any other brush besides just that crystal clear. You can do so many different cool things. Great. All right. I'm using a different colors. So which one you want to see? Well, I have this planned for this, but also this is freaking stunning. Tell me what you want and I fulfill your wish. If any of you are happen to come down to Pensacola visiting us, let me know. You'll be my models for the live as well.
Take the red.
All right. The red?
Red looks nice.
Hey, Eric. Hi, love. Hey, Keisha. Tamia, Cuccio. No, love, you don't miss a lot. You just miss one nail. That's all. But you can always re-watching them. This is the first look we're using Thinking Green, and we're using baby mix jars. I'm sorry. This is the acrylics flower jars, and I'm using a baby mix jars in green, and a 3D, like 3D pre-made handcrafts, the flowers that we're doing. It saves you so much time, and look at that how it's staying on. So I want to seal that with the precision glue. This is perfect for the short nail clients. So a lot of you have a short nail clients. I have short nail and long nail clients. What are we doing? We're doing this red one.
You got 1 vote for yellow and 2 vote for pink. So
That's when it's
I guess
hot,
the
though.
red pink.
Look at that. Oh, this one looks good though. This
So
is
yellow?
contrast. Look, everyone, contrast looks good.
Should you turn it all the way around?
Look.
Turn around. Spin it around. No, I mean like the charm. Yeah. Crystal go up, and the petal go down. Like so.
Yeah. Doesn't matter, whatever you want. Whatever you want, babes. All my babes watching.
Hey, Daisy got her transfer for gel working. Seems like it's just the foil that she got.
That's awesome. Great to hear that, love. Highest contrast. Cusio. What is that? I'm missing Bella. Okay, so.
Oh yeah, Bella said she was dipping all her bead in the condensed glue first. So when she put them on, they won't get tarnished.
Oh, that's just an awesome tip and trick. Thanks so much for sharing. Bella, I'm going to try that. See, I learned so much. I learned it today. All right, my love. Condensed glue gel. That's a smart way, Bella. See, you never know when you're tuning in. You learn so much from all your pips there. Condensed glue gel. This one is really cool with 3D, but your flat back 3D. How cool is that? It's not pointed 3D, so flat back 3D, which is so amazing. It saved my life so much. Sorry, I'm just a little bit goofy because I'm so thrilled. Now the clients want it. They don't have to order it ahead of time. They can book the appointments and I have it ready for them. Before I have to take me like time to making it. It saved me so much time. So then I can have time to do stream for all of you. Imagine it, I'm stuck in my work and it's like, okay, babes, I'm not gonna see ya. I'm busy making my own 3D flowers right now. See ya. Okay, this one is super cute though. You can do either way. You can do on the top or down, doesn't matter. Oh, hey, this one will be good with like, we also have a lot of pre-made leaves as well. Also, you can do that using this and using acrylic as well to doing your leaves as well as you prefer. Ooh. Oh, hold on. This one, not that. We're going to different one right now. Can I get that one too? There you go. Okay, this is Ruby, just in case you're asking. Oh, it stays nice and cool and flat on that. So cool and different. You know what it's gonna look like? It's good to look like on this one too. The chain as well. Okay, let me 5 more beads. Bella, I'm gonna try them. We dip in condensed glue gel. That is such a great ideas though. Let me see. Here is the baby. If you're seeing it on the screen right there. I'm so having fun with this. Look at this apple frame. I love this frame because let's see if I have the smaller frame. One of others has a really cute frame too. Let me see. I think I have one of the oh, right there. This jar. You never go wrong with this. If you have longer nails, I would put more flowers, but because these are short nails for you have short nail clients. Okay. There you go. Next one, we're gonna do weaver gels. And I want to do one of this right there. This is cute. I'm fascinating. It's totally cool and feeling my dream come true.
So Alexa, yes, so these little jar are called a baby mix jar. So we got a theme to it. Definitely you want to check them out. Head over to our website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com and check out the $5 nail art section.
Oh, you will love this. This is so many cool. You have chain, you have charms, you have frame. You have so many in there. Okay, I need one more bead. There's so many beads in here. You see, I wanna do one of this now with this, and then I'm gonna have this. Sorry, I'm just thinking of this right now, and I do another layer of this. Look at that, how cute it is. And then look at how many beads and frame on here. I don't know if I can show you on Instagram. Facebook can see, but I'm not sure if
Yeah, they see it.
Get the Instagram right, you know. All right, they're so cute. Okay, I have to stop being a little bit, because I might start.
I think you start filling it up.
Yeah. Do you think so? Can someone stop me, please?
Like stop?
Stop? Okay, you can stop. You said stop. Okay, one more.
Good God.
He said God. One more right there. Yeah. Oh, this one is really cool. It stays there. It doesn't go anywhere at all. Oh, you can't stop us from you. This is different though. Okay, one more. He'll laugh. It's okay. Maybe you can keep laughing. But we're gonna finish this right there. Okay, I feel finished. I leave it alone. This is, look at that pearl right there.